This is a long-awaited album that we just got from Stamperia, and they call it a cardboard album, but I thought it would be helpful to really take a look. It is 6 1/4 inches by 6 1/4 inches, so it's a square, and it's got a really deep spine right here. This is probably 1.5 inches. And each of the cover is over a board, so it's either chipboard or it's really sturdy, so I'm sure it's chipboard. Then each of the pages is also thick. So you can see how thick that is. Again, the paper is covering the chipboard or the cardboard. And you can see that each of the pages, there are 6 of them. Now, a page has 2 sheets to it, or it's one sheet, 2 pages. So although there are 6 of these, there are actually 12 pages that you can decorate. And they are, let me show you the top of it. So you can see that there's plenty of room to have 3-dimensional things in there, because these are, the way the binding is done, there's space between each of the pages. So very, very nice. And they are the same all the way through. Again, it's 6 1/4 inches square, but the pages are 6 inches square. So that works out fine, especially if you're using 12 by 12 or 6 by 6 pages. And we are delighted to have this in stock